Good morning. It's Wednesday, January 18th. I'm Joe Elkier here with Tim Murphy. Welcome back to the Gold Spot. Tim, 2022 coming to a close was a very tough year for investors. We're starting to see some tides change as far as metals go in the news cycles. Bank of America yesterday came out with an article saying that gold is going to be a mainstay for the next 3 years. And just overall, we're just starting to see an uptick as far as positive information coming out for metals in 2023. Can you expand on that a little bit?
Yeah, certainly, Joe. The financials had a horrible year, 2022. Stocks, bonds, real estate, everything is topped out. It's going lower. There's a lot of pain on the streets. And so naturally, gold and silver, they're looking better now. Tangible assets, especially gold and silver, are the place to be. And there's reasons why China, for example, has bought 200 tons of gold in the third quarter of last year. They already own well over 20,000 tons of gold. So why would they buy more? It only makes sense that they're buying because they see something, the handwriting is on the wall. They see where the dollar's headed. They see the situation worldwide, how things are developing. Russia's buying gold. All the central banks have bought more gold last year than ever, going back to 1967 when they started keeping records. So there's something going on, and the central banks and these big countries know it. And Saudi Arabia knows it too. They're getting away from the U.S. dollar. They're getting into the yuan and gold and other forms in terms of trading. It's all right there. And as a result of this demand, we've got inventories on the COMEX and the London exchanges, the New York and London exchanges. Inventories are very, very low. They're depleted. And this is something that people aren't talking about that much, but it's a huge deal. And we're going to have gold is going up, of course, and silver's been dragging a little bit, but silver is the kind of market that if you go back in history and you look, it tends to lag, and then all of a sudden one day it just goes. And one day it's up $1, it's up $2, $3, and then it never looks back. And if you're not in it now, then you're really out of luck. So it's an exciting time for gold and silver right now.
Tim, yeah, we're seeing demand increasing, supplies are continuing to be impacted, and I imagine with central bank buying being as high as it is, these are going to continue to be problems, and we're going to see increased demand and more supply difficulties. If you have questions, reach out to us, go to our website, request some information. Keep your eyes on Davos this week, lots of news coming out of there, but we're here to help you sift through it all. Thanks for stopping by the Gold Spot.